Welcome to Dreams Royal Beach in Punta Cana in the Dominican Republic. Hi, I'm Asai, a travel agent specializing in luxury and all-inclusive vacations. Dreams Royal Beach is a family-friendly resort located just 20 minutes from the Punta Cana International Airport on beautiful Bavaro Beach. This resort is actually right next to Secrets Royal Beach. You can see Dreams Royal Beach is located here and Secrets Royal Beach is right next to it. And the rooms that we're going to talk about today are the deluxe category rooms. And all of these deluxe category rooms can be found in the original section of the resort. And any of the room categories at this resort that have the word deluxe in the name are going to look just like this room, even the Preferred Club deluxe rooms. As we enter the room, you can see you have the closet here on the left with hanging storage. You've got a laundry bag, an umbrella, your robes, and plenty of storage for you. And opposite that is the bathroom, which does have a door that fully closes. You have a large walk-in shower, and there is towel storage on the rack here, and all of your shower toiletries will be in there as well. This room does offer double sinks. They actually have an incense burner and all of your bathroom amenities on the counter in addition to bottled water. You do have a fully closed off toilet closet. As we come into the main room, you can see there is the full-length mirror, always a must-have at an all-inclusive resort, and opposite that is luggage storage with some hooks. This happens to be a connecting room, but what I love is you do have this nice desk work area with the TV above it. This is a king room, and I love that there were large nightstands on either side of the bed. There is a small partition into the separate living area with sofa, chair, and then you have the minibar cabinet. On top of the minibar is a coffee maker. There's an ice bucket, bottle of water, and then as we open the doors, you can see there is some additional storage in there. And opening the minibar, and it is fully stocked with water, juice, soda, and Presidente beer. This is a deluxe pool terrace room, and what that means is that the pool is not far from this room. So as we go out onto the patio, all of the pool terrace rooms will be located on the first floor. You will have a jacuzzi on your terrace. You will have 2 chairs for seating and a table. And then the best part is you also do have your own lounge chairs, because as we walk out onto the patio, you can walk across the grass and just through the foliage across the pathway is a pool. So the pool terrace rooms are not considered swim-ups, but they are just steps from the pool, hence the name Pool Terrace. If you are interested in what a Preferred Club premium tropical view room looks like, take a look at this video here, or my Dreams Royal Beach full walkthrough located here. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one.